BlowFit Black is the easiest way to add weights into your martial arts training program. With a 1-pound Velcro strap, all it takes is 10 seconds to add or remove weight from your glove. Packed with just as much power as any professional boxing glove, BlowFit Black is your multi-purpose training partner for perfect punches. There's no doubt about it, boxing and other martial arts sports are a smash hit, but the right boxing glove that changes up the game is yet to be seen. That's why we made a glove with a safety-focused, easily detachable 1-pound weighted strap. When you want to switch to weighted boxing, just attach the weighted strap. It's easy. Just add the strap to the right and left gloves, then put your boxing gloves on. Whether you're punching a sandbag or punch mitt, the strap stays secure to the glove no matter how hard you're punching. And there's no noise either. And if you want to add weight training to your favorite glove, we even offer a version of the weighted strap for use with any Velcro glove. The weighted strap is made of EPDM, a material with a proven safety record and an impressive look and feel. By evenly spacing out each weighted block, we allow for an even dispersion of weight across the entire glove. The glove's exterior is made with all-natural, high-quality symphony leather for improved durability and feel, while the interior features a 4-material blend of neoprene, 2 layers of fortified sponge, and synthetic latex for better shock absorption. And the quality of BlowFit Black glove is on par with Winning's high-quality brand of gloves that's used by pro boxers around the world. BlowFit Black is the perfect choice for a wide variety of fighting sports, including boxing, kickboxing, mixed martial arts, and more. Use BlowFit Black against sandbags, mitt, or for shadow boxing. You can also use a weightless strap during sparring matches. With BlowFit Black's weighted strap, you're not only strengthening your arms, shoulder, and core muscles, but you're also maximizing your cardio gains for an even more effective workout. BlowFit Black lets you add or remove weight to your glove for better, more effective training. We hope you will support our campaign to help bring our vision for weighted martial arts training to life. Unlock perfect punches today with weight training made easy. BlowFit Black.